been a little while since we've adventured to SeaWorld Orlando. We're gonna start walking our way in here. But we're here finally, for the evening shows. We've been trying all summer to get here, and just between work schedules and rain, we have not made it. So we're very excited to finally be here. We'll show you some clips of those shows and anything else interesting we see here in the park. So we'll see you inside. Voice over this since I can't have what's her face in my stuff. Poster. Place. That's the baseball jersey. That's nice. Oh, that one says $250 on it. Yep.
Pretty cheap.
Nice. So the Sky Tower's not running today because it's very breezy. There is the red, white, and barbecue booth. They have not done the concerts this summer. I think there's just too many people were, doing things for America's 250. It would have been hard to have gotten anyone in, I think, during the summer. Plus also cost. Let's go see the cost of hand-breaded chicken tenders over here at Seafire Grill. Alright. So there's a chicken tender stack that is $22.49. Sandwich is $19.99. Up to, and just the hand-breaded chicken tenders is $20.99. So I'll probably just do the hand-breaded chicken tenders. Second from the chicken tender stack, second one down. And of course they have chocolate cake, cheesecake, they've got oranges, watermelon, ooh, cupcakes, dry cookies, which are very good. Alright. Sound like a meal idea to you? Alright. We know what we're having for dinner with our $10 box. We will go to discount between that and our annual passes, so to bring it down to, it says pass mark price, but that reflects for the platinum, so it'll be $17.84 for platinum, so probably about $18 something for us. Which, right, no, it would be $18 something for us minus $10. It won't be too expensive. It won't be too expensive. Two check. We'll tell you at the end if we come back here and do this. So we're going to specifically ride Expedition Odyssey, or one of us can. So let's trek over there. Alright, so we sent the Combustion Gamer in to go ride Expedition Odyssey Fire and Ice. It's supposed to be about a 35-minute wait to do that. I'm going to head over and grab a seat over at Dolphin Stadium, make sure we can get the Dolphin show, because it's the main reason why we're here is to get the shows, the summer shows. But let me take you around and show you a few other things while we wait, and as we work our way back over there to Dolphin Stadium. Alright, so over here at Sesame Street, it looks like Abby's Flower Tower is currently not running. Don't know how often that's happening, but that's not running. Neither is Oscar the Grouch's, whatever that is, I forget the name of it. It's also closed. The roller coaster is working. People just got off of that. And then Cookie Monster ride is working, which I've heard sometimes it isn't, but today it is currently working, which is fantastic. All the other playthings are working. Let's walk over here a second. Is that what I was looking for? And the train is working. Fantastic. You got the little kiddo who wants to ride the train. It is currently working. So there's been some concern about whether or not Sesame Street will be leaving SeaWorld with the whole lawsuit thing going on. So far so good. If you get the little one who loves Sesame Street, it's not going anywhere for right now. We will keep you posted on if that changes here in the future. But for now, so far, so good.
So while I was thinking that the Combustion Gamer was going to be filming Expedition Odyssey Fire and Ice for me, he was realizing as he walked through the line and was about to get on that he was not going to be able to film it because I made a rookie YouTuber mistake and forgot to send him with the wrist strap. I was able to ride Expedition Odyssey the last time without a wrist strap, but I was also the only person on the ride and the rules were a little lax. But with these crowds, you need a wrist strap, and I completely forgot. So we have to go back and do that here again soon. But here is just the little bit of footage that he got from the waiting lines for you guys to enjoy. And yeah, rookie YouTuber SeaWorld mistake. We'll fix that and get you guys a video of Expedition Fire and Ice very soon.
That's interesting. Proper footwear is required, mentioned now on the signs. So I believe Sunday starts Shark Week, so because we're here and it's air conditioned, we're going to see the sharks. It's hard to get around the tour sometimes. It's the problem being a annual pass holder. You're like, I just want to go to where I want to go. But when you come in, you can't miss the wall of sharks and see how big they are. I think I mention this every time we come by because it's really cool. And they're definitely keeping the AC nice and cold in here. It's definitely nice and chilly. And this is honestly not that busy through here right now, which is impressive. We'll see how it is as we get down here. Maybe a line at the end. Is there a line over there? No, not quite a line. Alright, so let's go see what the sharks are doing underwater. There's a pop in here. There's salted going around. There comes the hammerhead.
Alright, now our main reason for going to SeaWorld Orlando this day was to see all of the night shows. So it's going to be the Dolphin show, the Sea Lion show, the Killer Whale show, and a little bit of the drone/fireworks show at the end. Was so excited that we actually got to see all of them. It looked like it was going to rain for a little bit, but thankfully it all held off and we were able to see all the shows. I think that's the first time in years we've been able to see all of the shows on a summer evening. But we've got all those for you, so I'm going to let them roll in order of how we saw them and just give you some clips of those. The full-length videos will be on the channel here in the next few weeks, so make sure to be subscribed so you don't miss those videos.
The planet, we're on a mission. SeaWorld is dedicated to improving the lives of all animals and protecting the health of our blue planet, our home. For these animals formed within our parks, SeaWorld is their home. We are all connected. Join us as we celebrate that connection. We hope through your experience with us tonight that you too are inspired to help protect all the wild wonders of our world.
Might have missed a few things. So, Seymour had the great idea to show you guys what the park looks like through the eyes of Clyde and Seymour. So welcome to Lions Tonite. Yeah. The first stop, the front of the park.
Oh boy, Clyde, we're finally at SeaWorld, pal. I've been waiting for this all week long. You know, I can already smell the popcorn and the funnel cakes. Oh, hey, don't forget your lunch. Come on, Clyde. Out up. Where'd you put that? Good thing it's close. Aw, man. Thanks, pal. Okay, let's see. Where are we gonna go first? This place is just huge, am I right? Oh, hey, what's going on?
Oh, they're right there, citizen. I'm gonna go check out that soggy bag. You don't have anything in there that you're not supposed to have, any outside food or drink in there?
Oh, no, we would never bring anything where it doesn't belong here. Right, Clyde? He says right.
Good. How else are we gonna charge you $27.95 for a side of French fries? I gotta check you out, buddy. Let's see here. You're fine. I knew it. I didn't see that bag, sir. Right now. Give it to me. Trying to be sneaky here. Let's see. Oh! There it is! You can't have any of these. None of these. None of these. Oh, you tried to hide this one in a beach towel? What do you think, I'm new? Alright, you know what? Take that one. I don't know. You take this.
What are we supposed to eat now?
Oh, you could always purchase all-day dining for an additional fee. You win!